In this episode, we're going to focus on MEVOTEK TTX hub part number TXF515137. Applying to 2012 through 2021 Nissan NV 1500, 2500, and 3500 series vehicles. These are full-size vans used mainly in commercial applications.
And that's where TTX products really excel, Victor.
MEVOTEK engineers analyze OE part wear patterns and typical failure points to create a superior solution that far surpasses the original. Vehicles that are used for commercial purposes will typically wear through components quicker than your average vehicle. They run a lot longer, travel many more miles, and are typically loaded with a lot more weight. Scott and I will now walk you through the engineered upgrades TTX uses to address these factors to ensure part durability and dependability.
And it's a pretty extensive list, Victor, of features and benefits that set TTX apart. Starting with precision-engineered, higher-grade rolling elements that optimize load distribution while minimizing rolling resistance for strong and consistently smooth operation. Exact bearing tolerances, clearances, and raceway profiles that mean quiet performance and longer service life.
TTX hubs use a roll-formed assembly that locks components together for a set preload out of the box. This assists in simplifying installation and ensures the part will have a long service life. To protect the internals, a low-friction, heavy-duty advanced quantum sealing system with a multi-lip profile is used to provide several layers of defense. This keeps contaminants out and the vital grease in.
Our preloaded nanoceramic lubrication withstands temperature extremes and resists corrosion and retains viscosity over the life of the part. The nanoceramic particles act as microscopic ball bearings to further reduce friction, while also filling in and smoothing over any of those surface imperfections. For hubs that have an integrated ABS cable, we use molded, abrasion-resistant strain reliefs at both the sensor and the plug ends to guard against perforation and wire breakage, ensuring a faultless signal for ABS, TCS, and other vehicle safety systems. The sensors match to the original for type and output characteristics, meaning no interruption in those vital services.
To prevent corrosion, our tried and tested TTX RepelTek coating is applied on every surface, including the studs and the hardware. This prevents rust buildup and eliminates potential contaminant intrusion for a longer part service life. It also makes removing associated components easier, like swapping wheels, replacing a CV shaft, or even removing a brake rotor.
Victor, we're always striving to revolutionize the technician's experience. TTX hub assemblies come with everything needed for a quick and easy install in one box. And mounting bolts are included, as well as all hardware torque specifications. TTX hub assemblies are another segment of our TTX lineup. From ball joints to control arms, stabilizer links to tie rod ends, technicians can choose from the full TTX program for an engineered repair solution on Nissan full-sized working vans.